Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss about the what are the posterior drainage positionings for the middle lobe, lingula, and the apical segment of the lower lobe. So we will discuss one by one. So first of all is the middle lobe. So the patient should lie on his back with his body quarter turned to the left, maintained by a pillow under the right side from shoulder to the hip, and the arms relaxed by his side. The foot of the bed should be raised 35 centimeter, like 14 inches from the ground. The chest is tilted to an angle of the 15-degree. You can see in this picture, the shoulder and the head rest on the pillow. The table is tilted 15-degree and the foot rest is raised to 35 centimeter. Then is the lingula. What is lingula? Lingula is the extension of the superior lobe of the left lung. So how can we remove the secretions through the postural drainage positioning of from the lingula? So the patient should lie on his back with his body quarter turned to the right, maintained by a pillow under the left side from shoulder to hip, and the arms relaxed by his side. The foot of the bed should be raised 35 centimeter, like 14 inches from the ground. The chest is tilted to an angle of the 15-degree. This position, the positioning of the lingula is the middle lobe positioning. But the difference between these two positioning for the middle lobe and the lingula is वो ये है कि जो middle lobe है वो right side पे है, तो हमने patient को जो है turn होगा to the left side. But lingula is present in the left side, तो patient should turn to the right side. So this is the difference between the middle lobe positioning and the lingula positioning. So then is the apical segment of the lower lobe. The patient should lie prone with the head turned to one side, his arms relaxed in a comfortable position by the side of the head, and a pillow under his hips. You can see in this picture, the pillow is between the abdomen and the hip. So this is the apical segment of the lower lobe posterior drainage positioning. Thank you.